Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I just wanted to share something that happened. Now, I know in my last video or last two videos, I was actually going through the process of getting my redemption wallet, and I had finally figured out that my old PAC coin wallet is actually the same thing as the PAC coin redemption wallet. Okay, so I'd figured that out. Okay, great. Made a video about that. Fine. Well, actually what happened was after I had downloaded the new link for the redemption wallet and it came up, what happened was this opened up after you do the, help debug console. You put in wallet passphrase, your passcode, all that. You go through all that whole step to get the wallet to sync. After I did that, it never came into sync. This stayed here, and the check mark never came up. Okay, this opened up and this went down, and when I woke up the next morning, because I think I did it like at 1 o'clock in the morning, basically nothing happened. So I want to have you guys be on alert that if you do the redemption wallet, if you do it now, be careful. Okay, you might want to wait, because it might not let you continue to do mining or staking. It might not let you continue to do that. So I'm gonna do this again. That's why I closed it and opened it back up. And by the way, that's another thing I want to warn you about as well. When I downloaded this one and it said redemption, and this went all the way over to here completely, and there was no check mark, I closed the wallet. And I don't usually close my wallet because the whole purpose of having it open is so that you can stake. Okay, so I closed the wallet, but when I tried to open it back up again, it threw an error message. And let me see if I still have that here. Let me see if I can find the right one, because I want to show you the error message that I got. And I thought, okay, wait a minute. So I kind of, and I'm not the kind of person that's going to freak out or something, but I was very scared for a second there. And I thought, okay, this does not mean you're going to lose your coins. You have to keep your level head together. Everything is going to be fine. This one right here. So this is the error message that I got. And so for a second there, I got real scared, thinking that the whole wallet went down, even though I had made a backup wallet. Okay, so when I clicked this to open this is the error message I kept getting. Okay, so I just closed it and I said, you know what, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to stress about it. I did send them an email and let them know that there was a problem. I sent them the screenshot. But again, I'm just saying this to give you fair warning. If you want to continue, because my strategy was, I'm just going to continue. Let me get rid of this. I'm going to continue to do my staking, and I'm going to go all the way up until May and stake, and just go ahead and make this many more coins every single month on the 9th. I was going to I wanted to download the redemption wallet, not thinking or not even knowing that it would stop staking. So if by downloading the redemption wallet it stops staking, which is what it looked like may have happened to me, I don't want that to happen to you. So be aware. If you want to do it, go ahead. If you want to go ahead and get your PAC cash coins, go ahead and do that. But if you are the type that's want to be strategic and wait and get the March 9th, April, May 9th coins, then you might not want to do anything right now. If your old PAC coin wallet is working, let it do what it does. Don't worry about it. Don't download anything. Don't do anything until you are ready immediately to transfer these coins in for PAC cash coins and go through the redemption process. Okay. All right. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the chat so we can discuss this, because there's a lot going on and I don't want anybody to freak out or lose their coins or anything like that. All right, everyone, take care now. Bye-bye.